Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur the sides of a vertical video using CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up CapCut. Now I'm going to click on a new project. And now I'm going to import that vertical video. So I've got a video here, this guy playing basketball. As you can see, this is the video, so I'm going to drag this now to my timeline. So in order to blur the sides or have the blur effect, we need to click on the video and then click on ratio. And then we need to choose 16:9. And then we can see the black spaces or the black boxes on either side. So if I play the video, it's just got the black background going on. So now to do the blur effect, so select the video, and on the right hand side, you got video basic. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page here, and where it says canvas, at the moment it says none. Now from here, choose the blur option, and then we've got a few different options, what type of blur you want to use, so how strong or weak. So if I want to use, say, like the first one, let's have a look what this looks like. So if I press play, so there you go, you can just have a play around with how strong or how weak you want your blur effect in your vertical video.